In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email on an email thread on Pipedrive. When you're working in Pipedrive, keeping all your communication in a single, clean thread is really important. It helps you stay organized, see the full history with a contact, and avoid scattered messages that are hard to track. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reply inside an existing email conversation, instead of accidentally starting a brand new thread. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an icon that looks like an envelope. This is the Mail tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pipedrive shows all the emails connected to your account, so you can work directly from inside the CRM without switching back and forth to another inbox. Once the Mail view opens, you'll see a list of your email conversations. Take a moment to find the specific email thread you want to reply to. It might be a conversation with a lead, a customer, or a colleague. Click on that email conversation to open it. Now that the conversation is open, scroll through if you need to quickly review what's already been said. When you're ready to respond, scroll down to the bottom of the last message in that thread. There, you'll see your options to reply. You can choose reply if you only want to respond to the original sender, or reply all if you want everyone included in the conversation to receive your message. Pick the option that fits your situation so the right people stay in the loop. After you click Reply or Reply All, a message editor will appear. Here's where you type your response. If you send similar types of emails often, this is a great moment to use the Templates button. Templates let you insert a pre-written response so you don't have to retype the same phrasing every time. You can still tweak the text to personalize it for this specific contact. Once your message looks good, quickly double-check the recipients, the subject line, and the body of the email to make sure everything is accurate and professional. When you're happy with it, click Send. That's all you need to do. By replying directly from the Mail tab inside the existing conversation, your message stays neatly grouped in the same email thread, making it much easier to follow the entire history later on.